Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the NorthCountry mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The NorthCountry mobile banking app is developed by NorthCountry Federal Credit Union to give members convenient access to their accounts from their mobile device. Core functionalities include checking available balances, viewing recent transactions, transferring funds between accounts, paying bills and credit cards, mobile check deposit capability, sending secure messages, and locating branches or ATMs. The app's main feature is built around mobile convenience. You can view how your finances stand, deposit checks from your phone, transfer money, schedule payments, and get account alerts, all while on the move. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its intuitive interface, reliable balance checks, and mobile check deposit functionality. It supports features such as Zelle and credit score checking, adding to its utility. However, there are some drawbacks. Several users report that updates have introduced glitches, especially around mobile deposit and login performance. Some advanced features like multi-bank account linking or deep analytics may not be as robust as in some fintech offerings. In summary, the NorthCountry mobile banking app may be worth using if you're a NorthCountry Federal Credit Union member looking for secure, mobile-friendly access to everyday banking functions, checking balances, depositing checks, transferring funds, and paying bills. However, if you require advanced financial planning tools or full multi-institution aggregation, you may want to explore supplemental apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.